How to recover my Yahoo account without recovery email and phone number. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover my Yahoo account without recovery email and phone number. You may want to recover your Yahoo account because it has been inactive, accidentally deleted, or you have forgotten your login information. To avoid forgetting your passwords in the future, use a password manager app. If your account has been deleted, you will have up to 30 days to recover it. Once your time is up, you will no longer be able to retrieve your mailbox. All emails and data are removed from your mailbox. However, any paid subscriptions or charges from your email address will still stand. So, if you're thinking of deleting your mailbox, remove these first. The best way to start your Yahoo Mail recovery process is by using your desktop computer. First, go to the Yahoo login page and try to sign in using the same credentials you've used in the past. Select a method of identity verification. You may get a verification code to your phone or click Try another way to sign in. Then, enter the verification code that you received, create a new password, and click Continue again. You will now be prompted to confirm your account recovery settings. Check these over or click Remind Me Later. Now, your mailbox is reactivated. To recover your email, go to the Yahoo login page and click the Forgotten Password option. Then click I Need More options and tap Visit our help site. Next, you will need to create a request by choosing Password and sign in, then Unable to change my password and email a Yahoo specialist, completing the form and creating an inquiry. Then, you will just need to wait for Yahoo's response. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.